Let's try this again. Shalom, May Nathan. I'm here to talk about Ramadan, a special time for the religion Islam. For the whole month of Ramadan, many Muslims practice fasting, and just in a nutshell, nothing will be consumed from dusk till dawn. This practice may not be for everyone because it's not as easy as you may think. No matter what, for the whole entire month, you cannot eat or drink anything, not even water, for a whole month, from sunrise to sunset. And let me make sure I put that in there. This includes athletes, firefighters, teachers, kids, whatever the case. If you are Muslim, more than likely you are practicing Ramadan. To provide a little bit more insight to what Ramadan is, just think of it like a major holiday, such as Christmas. You kind of practice your traditions there. It's the same thing with Ramadan. During this time, many Muslims learn about the religion of Islam by taking advantage of looking at the Quran. Fasting is just one of the ways they may use to focus in on their studies. Now, before we get a little bit deeper into this video, I'm going to let you know that I am not Muslim at all, but I have lived in some of the Islamic states. And to get a better appreciation for their religion, I practiced and participated in many events while I was there in country. During Ramadan, if you work out, it's not really that easy, but it can be accomplished if you have the willpower. The main thing is that you want to make sure that you eat well before sunrise and after sunset. So that little window of time you have to eat, you want to take advantage of it. Practicing Ramadan is not for everyone. If you are pregnant, if you are under the weather, if you haven't even hit puberty yet, I would suggest that you get those calories in. Matter of fact, before you consider trying Ramadan, maybe you should consult with a physician first. Now, the Ramadan actually ties into my channel because it talks about a fasting process, which can help you lose weight with three key benefits. In the beginning, it will not feel like a benefit. Matter of fact, you're going to be hungry all the time because you're working through the whole entire day. But as you progress throughout the days, throughout the weeks, you get a lot stronger and also you start focusing a whole lot better. Now, obtaining this newfound focus, maybe you should take that time to learn something new as you can take advantage of the opportunity listed there. On top of that, you're going to lose a lot of weight because, one, you're going to be consuming fewer calories. And if you eat a little bit more calories, that's perfectly fine because you're going to be fasting during the whole entire day where you're mostly active. Unless, of course, if you have maybe a night job, and that can definitely cause a little stir in the mix, but you got this. Just make sure you're consuming some really good calories. Because with those good calories, you're going to burn fat a whole lot faster. Now, when I say good calories, I'm not talking about Twinkies or Pop-Tarts, which sounds delicious right now. If you eat a well-balanced meal, you have the opportunity to increase your metabolism, and this will going to help you lower your cholesterol and also your blood pressure in the process. So it's a win-win-win if you consider the options there. And of course, if you want more ideas, I'm going to leave some tags and some links in my description so you can know what to eat if you're trying to lose weight or have a healthier diet. Ramadan, like I said earlier, it's a great way to learn a little bit more about the Quran, but if that's not the case, you can definitely lose weight in the process and feel great. So this will be a fun challenge for you. If you're already practicing Ramadan, make sure you comment down below and let us know your techniques for fasting in those days to come. Now, with that being said, if you are not familiar with my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Turn on your push notifications and also smash that like button. Matter of fact, flex on it. And with that being said, follow me on Instagram and I will catch you in the next video.